Hello children, welcome back. Welcome for the next session of mathematics. We were doing revision of chapter number 3, understanding quadrilaterals. In the last session, we have completed with our first exercise, that is exercise 3.1. So today we will move further with our next topic, and on that base the exercise 3.2. Alright, so let us continue children. Yeah, the topic is sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. In the last session, we have seen some of the interior angles and how to find. We have also seen the formula, that was sum of angles, that is S is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees, where n was number of sides of a polygon. So similarly, now today we are going to see some of the measures of the exterior angles, children. So it says that the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon, children. Any polygon is 360 degrees, right? So here in a figure you can see these are the exterior angles. Can you see, children, marked with a blue color? Yes. So these all exterior angles, if we add of any polygon where the n number of sides are there, the total, that is the sum, will be equal to 360 degrees. One more thing you should remember, children, that is the exterior angle and the interior angle over there, the same arm with the same arm, forms a linear pair. That is, the sum of these two angles will be 180 degrees. These few points will be very useful in solving the sums further. Alright, so wherever you see, it is a straight line. Can you see here? And here you can see, suppose I name this as A, B, C, D and E. So here you can see at the C point, you can see exterior angle and the interior angle form a linear pair. Similarly, at A also you can see exterior angle and interior angle form the linear pair. That is, the sum will be equal to 180 degrees. Coming to the next, so this is very important to remember. Sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. One more, as a formula you can remember this, children, but very important is this is only for the regular polygon. Why I am telling this is, next exercise you will be having maximum sums on the regular polygon, so it will be very useful. So exterior angle, if you have to find the exterior angle of a regular polygon, then that will be equal to 360 degrees whole divided by n. Why 360 degrees? It is the total sum of all the exterior angles whole divided by n sides, that is n is number of sides. Okay, so this will be very useful. You can learn this as a formula, but this is only for the regular polygons. So let us begin with our exercise 3.2, the first sum. Yeah. One polygon is given. You can see it is a triangle. 3 sides are there. So find x in the following figure. So here you can see exterior angle. X is an exterior angle which is unknown, and other two exterior angles are given, children. One is 125 degree and the other one is also 125 degrees. Now we know that the exterior angle sum is equal to 360 degrees. Sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. Now what are the exterior angles? 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x. So 125 degree plus 125 degree will be 250 degree plus x is equal to 360 degrees. Now you know what to do. In the last session also, in the last chapter also, we have studied how to find the unknown variable, right? How to find the solution. This 250, I'll transpose it to the other side. X is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree, that is x is equal to 110 degree. So here the value of x is 110 degree. Alright children, got it? So like this, not only for triangle, but we can give any polygon. So if any one exterior angle is missing, children, what you have to do is just add all other angles, exterior angles, and then subtract it from 360 degree. You will get the missing angle. Let us proceed. Yeah, similar type, but here few things will be missing, but you can find out that, right? Let us see. Now here you can see, find the x in the following figure. Now here you can see, this is the how many sides it has. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is a pentagon, right? Now you can see here the exterior angle is 70 degree given, here it is 60 degree given. Here x, which we have to find, it is unknown. Now here children, you can see it is not mentioned, but the symbol is given and we know this is 90 degree. All right, and similarly now here children, interior angle is given, not the exterior one, right? And we know, but already in the previous slide I have told that the interior angle and the corresponding exterior angle forms a linear pair, that is the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree. So if one angle is, the interior angle is 90 degree, what will be the other? That is 180 degree minus 90 degree, it will be 90 degree obviously. So hence we got all other our exterior angles. This is 90 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 70 degree, and only one is remaining, that is x children, which is unknown. And similarly now, in the previous one I told you have to add all other angles, exterior angles, and the sum you have to subtract it from the 360, that is the total sum. We know that it is 360. You will get the unknown angle. So let us see. You can see here angle 1 plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. So 190, if I transpose it, it will be angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. That is angle 1 is equal to 90 degree. You can write here as a reason linear pair. Linear pair here you can see it is written so by linear pair. Now thus our exterior angles are, we got all our exterior angles except x. So now let us substitute, that is we know that sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. So x plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 360 degree. After adding all this, that is 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70, we get 310 degrees. Now here we transpose 310 to the right hand side. It will be 360 degree minus 310 degrees, which is nothing but equal to 50 degrees. That is angle 1 is equal to 50 degrees. I hope now you got that n number of sides. Let them give whatever polygon it may be children, the type or the method to solve will be same. Only if one is unknown, what you will do is add all other exterior angles and subtract it from the sum you have to subtract it from the 360. All right. So this is how you are going to solve. Yeah, let us go to the next one children. Yeah, now this is question number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon, and the first one is 9 sides. Now here it is vice versa children, sides are given to you, all right, and you have to find measure of each exterior angle. But you can see here it is mentioned it is regular polygon, and already in the last slide, in the second slide I think I have told you, you can remember one formula, that is exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees whole divided by n. So n is given to you children, so you can just substitute in this formula and you can find the number, that is the exterior angle. So let us do, that is 360 degree divided by 9, because 9 sides are given, right? So exterior angle will be 40 degrees. In the second one it is giving 15 sides children. In the second sum it is given 15 sides. So nothing but you have to just substitute in this formula, that is exterior angle is equal to 360 degree whole divided by n. So 360 degree upon n is nothing but 50, and that will be equal to 24. So the exterior angle, each exterior angle is 24 degrees. I hope you got this right. Second one you can solve by your own children, that is 15 side sum. Let us proceed. Yeah. Now this is the question number 3. Now this is again of a different pattern, children. Let us see. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degrees? Now you have seen in the previous sum, sides were given to you and each exterior angle was asked in a regular polygon. Now here, children, one exterior angle is given to you and sides are asked, that is number of sides. But in this also you can use the same formula, right? You have to substitute whatever is given and then do the transpose method. You can find the unknown term, right? Now you can see here, exterior angle is given to you, all right, 360 degree we know, and we have to find. So let us substitute. 24 multiplied by n is equal to 360 degree. Exterior angle is 24 and this n we are going to transpose it to the left hand side. You can see here now. Suppose in this formula, if I substitute the given things, exterior angle is 24 is equal to 360 degree divided by n. Now what I am going to do is n I'll transpose it to the left hand side and 24 I'll take it to the right hand side. So we will get as n is equal to 360 degrees divided by 24. After solving this, which is nothing but n is equal to 15, that means polygon has 15 sides. But remember, children, this formula is only for a regular polygon. If it is mentioned regular polygon, then definitely you can use this formula and find out. I hope you understood. So either exterior angle will be given to you and sides will be asked, or sides will be given to you and exterior angle will be asked. So method is same, children. You have to just substitute in the given formula. Let us proceed. Yeah. Now you can see here the question number 4 is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degrees? Now children, your interior angle is given, not the exterior one. But we can find the exterior one. How to find out? Yes, I have told the interior and the corresponding exterior angle form a linear pair. That means sum will be equal to 180 degrees. So what we are going to do is exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus the interior angle. Given interior angle, that is 165 degrees. That is equal to 15 degrees. Once we got our exterior angle, now we can use the formula and substitute the values and find the sides. That is exterior number of sides is equal to exterior angle upon interior angle. That is nothing but equal to 360 degree upon 15 degree is equal to 24. Yeah, hence the regular polygon has 24 sides. I hope you understood, children, this one. So once again try at home, okay? Definitely you will get the concept. Formula is the same, only the pattern will be different. So all the 3 patterns we have covered, that is all the exterior angles, only one will be missing, another all will be given. You have to just add all the exterior angles and subtract the sum from the 360. You will get the missing angle, exterior angle. The next one we have seen the exterior angle will be given and sides will be asked, or sides of the polygon, regular polygon will be given and exterior angle will be asked. So these were few different types of sums which we have covered from exercise 3.2. Keep studying, children. We will stop here today. Okay, thank you.